everyone, thanks for joining my channel. This is Rocky. Super bright in here because I want to actually show you something that I've never shown you before. I never really show you around my house, and I want to bring you in because I'm like entering sort of an interesting phase of both life and my decorating my house. I've been living in my space now for about 5-6 years now. I can't remember, about 5 or 6 years. And I have yet to do anything significant in terms of decorating my space. My family and I really don't put up much on the walls. We don't put up any family photos. We're just really, really simple when it comes to the way we decorate our house. So with us being quarantined, it has given me a lot of time to sit back and think about the things I want to do to the space, and possibly even starting to do some of those things. Actually, it was a goal for me to like start decorating my spot, and I just never did. So anyway, I'm going to show you one of the first steps towards doing that. This is the very first time that we've done anything like this, and let me show you. So you guys have seen me film in one of these chairs at some point or another, but this is how one wall or one room in here is set up. I have the 2 chairs and the small wall, and you know, all these openings, and it's very bright light usually during the day, and it's a great space. But I've only ever had like this little clock on the wall. When I put it there, I thought it was really cool. But now that it's years later, I'm like, oh, we can do something a little bit better. It's a little rustic kind of a clock, whatever. So a friend of mine, he's an artist, and I'm gonna shout him out once I put this artwork up, so you can, you tell me if you like it or not. But this is gonna be our first painting that we're putting up in our space ever. As long as we've had our own house, we've never put up any artwork, and I'm gonna be putting it right here. So it's a really unique place to put it. I like it right here because let me show you how it looks when you first walk into our condo. So this is what our entryway sort of looks like to your right when you come in through the door. This is sort of the first thing you see when you walk in. And I want that to be sort of the focal point. When people walk in, that'll be the first thing that they see. So let me hang it and I'll show you what it looks like. So there she is. It is called New Sky. And the artist is Jeffrey Beckham. And I will link in the comments down below, all his information and whatnot. I'm doing a terrible job of filming this. Let me get a little closer so you can see the detail on it. So it's acrylic on canvas. And I kind of just gave him the theme of what I was looking for in terms of emotion and feeling. I gave him sort of what I think the energy in our house is like, and then he kind of worked from that. Like, gave him the color scheme, gave him what my family is like, and then he came up with this piece. We're city dwellers, we're creatives, we're energetic, we're innovators. At least that's how I like to describe us. And so this is what he came up with. So that was a really quick, simple, short video for you today. I wanted to include you in something super exciting. And as I continue to start to improve on some of the things around my house, do little projects and things like that, I will, take you along. I need to rehang that. I just have it on the existing nail for now. I'm gonna hang it up a little bit higher so it has a better, just visually better and more impact and drama when you walk into the room. I'm gonna hang my clock back on this wall that's behind me, and then I have other little projects that I would love to bring you along for. So thank you so much for joining and watching today. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I'm gonna put some details about the artist down in the description box as well. Let me know if you'd like to see videos like this, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Hopefully you subscribe, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Bye.